Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this USB flash drive for reviewing purposes. It's a flash drive of 256 gigabytes, which I think that it's great, and we can use it to, well, storage any files, photo, even some music and video that we want, which I think that it's great. So let me open it up. Okay. It has a metal cover shell, which I think that it's great, and it's a retractable USB flash drive, which I think that it's also really useful. And well, you can use it on many different devices that has a USB-A port. Okay, we're gonna just plug it in. We're gonna use the file explorer, and we have it right here. Okay, I'm gonna pass some videos upon the flash drive. It's a total of 6.64 gigabytes. Okay, let me pass it through. And as you can see, the 6 gigabytes are going quite fast. I think it's great. Okay, it was quite fast, which I think that it's great. Now that we have our files up on the flash drive, we can just take it out. We can just eject it, and we can have it with us. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. And well, as you can see, it's really small size, which I think that it's great, making it really portable. And even we have a notch right here, so we can, well, tie it and have it with us anywhere that we want, which I think that it's great. And overall, I think that it's really nice. It's small. As I've said, it's really compatible. Is the latest technology and USB devices, and I think that it's going to be really useful to take with me anywhere that I need it. Okay, and overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.